It's Morphin time! Legendary Ranger Mode, Mighty Morphin! Huh? Wait a minute. Let's try that again. Legendary Ranger Mode, in space! What? One last time. Legendary Ranger Mode, CO! Oh. Bandai of Japan. Hey guys, this is Chris, and today I bought something that finally arrived here in the Philippines. The Ranger keys from Power Rangers Super Mega Force. When I first saw these keys when I was in the States, I got really surprised that it was so small, so tiny. It's quite different when you see it on pegs and you see how fragile and tiny these things are. But they're still pretty cool. What's very strange, when I went to our local stores, they had the keys, but they didn't have the morpher. How are you supposed to play them? But when I checked the back part, you can actually play these by themselves. It's amazing. Set it up, launch your Ranger key, and score maximum points. Let's see how much points I can score. What I also like about these keys is that they spring to action when you, morph. Okay, I think you need, little fingers for these. See? It flicks like so. It says here, line them up, then launch it. Ow! The heck? What? Is that how you do it? I might be doing this wrong. Oh, learn to play at bandai.com Power Rangers. Okay. So that's the first use of these things. The second one, obviously, if you had the morpher. But the third, and this is something that I wanted to try for a long time, but I couldn't, is the mobile app to unlock special features using these keys. So I'm going to try that now.
It's Morphin time!
Now, just to show you how tiny these things are, this is the Japanese version, and this is the American version. Oh my, I'm gonna break this thing. This is for adult hands. No spring. Tiny hands. Spring. So there you go. Wave 1 of these Ranger keys are now available in the Philippines, so for those Filipinos who want to get their hands on these mini keys, you can get them now. So if you like this video, please subscribe, hit that like button, or share this video with your friends. Sharing is caring. You can also go to my channel and check out my other videos. Lots of cool stuff. Alright, see ya!